Hey guys, it's Matt, and I'm back with another Bricklink order unboxing video. I ordered a bunch of parts off Bricklink recently because I'm heading to BrickCon 2018 in Seattle at the beginning of October. I need a bunch of these parts to fix existing modules and to build a few new ones for the event. So let's see what's in these three packages.
First up, we've got a nice small padded envelope. Alright, paper wrap.
Alright, look at this. Now this is a nice packed order here. So we've got clutch gears. 20 clutch gears. 20 universal joints. Some of these cool little warning or caution sign tiles. The 1x4 printed tiles. Also have some of the 3x3 Technic lift arms with the kind of quarter curve in them. Some Technic axles and Technic axle connectors. So with these clutch gears and universal axles, I'll be able to replace and repair a few modules of mine that need these. Some of my modules aren't clutched, and that's always bad for the motors if they jam. I've also been running long on these 10-length black axles, so those will be nice to have. Alright, let's see what else there is. Alright, cool. Alright. We've got Technic panels in dark gray. 8 of these. I thought I ordered 10. We'll see. Okay. Technic panels in white, the angled ones. I don't know what I'm going to use these for yet, but I'll find something. I think I'm going to do another Technic, a Technic module, like my tilt shift. So I'm going to use these for that. Dark gray plate. 2x10. I needed more of these. A lot of my modules are 10 studs wide, and I do use these as cross braces frequently. So I will be needing more of these, and I was running low. Technic bricks, 2x8 with the holes through. So yeah, again with the Brick World module, this is a module that requires one of these pieces, and this is a piece that I didn't have many of. So it's going to be nice to have these available now. I think I got 10 of these or something. Some tiles, dark gray tiles, 1x8s and 1x3s. I always can use more of these. Some more Technic plate. I guess you just pack them so you can flat pack them. This is just more 2x10 dark gray. These are some longer axles. These are the 12 long axles. I was running low on these, so these will come in handy. My apologies for the focus. I'm filming this on my phone today just to make things quicker and easier. We've got some 1x16 and 1x10 brick in dark gray. These are always handy, and I can use these when building modules. Okay, let's get on to the big box. This was an expensive order, so let's see what's in here. Alright, cool. Okay, some of this racer track looks like it was literally just taken from a set. There's still Technic pins in this. Okay, so I'm getting some bonus pins. Cool. I should have 2 of these. Actually, I've got more than 2 of these. These are the sloped pieces. The straight slope pieces. I think they drop 6 bricks, or they're 6 bricks tall in total height. And these are in one of the tan colors. I think this might be the old dark tan. Okay, so I think I got 4 of those. Okay, yeah, I see 4 of these slopes. These track pieces are great when you need to build a bridge or a bypass module. You can cover long distances for relatively cheap. And they also look really cool, because you don't see them that often in Lego layouts. Alright, so there's 4 of the inclined segments. Then, what is this? This is like a stud. It's a 1x1 plate, but I've never seen one this shape before. Is this even official Lego? We'll have to look into that. So weird. Okay. Put that there. So curved segments. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to stack these. They don't stack. Jeez, annoying. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. 14 curved segments, so now I can make a giant ring, like you've seen in some of those videos. I think Mako's got a couple modules that have like a big ring where a little push arm kind of pushes the balls up and around. So I could possibly do that now. Move these off to the side. Got 4 of the Y segments, and again, there's some bonus parts here. Even a little NHL sticker, I guess. I don't know what that's about. Alright, 4 slope pieces, 14 of the curved segments, and 4 of the Y segments. And in here we have some just round tile, some red and yellow round tiles that I need. Okay, we got a little package here. Okay, let me move these out of the way. Alright, let's get into this next box here. Alright, some more sports pieces. Got a couple more ski slopes. Maybe another Solaire module in the future. We'll see. And here's the straight track. This stuff can be stacked. I'm going to stack this up quickly. So we have 4, 8, 10 straight track segments. No bonus pieces. Okay, this is a very interesting packing job. This is just literally a bag full of everything I ordered. Okay, let's see what we have. We have some 2x12 dark gray plates. Always useful. We have a bunch of axles. Looks like a couple 12, a couple 10s. Some dark gray brick, 2x3. Technic brick, 1x4, and the double pin 2x1 or 1x2s. 1x6. 1x6 brick. More plates, 1x10 dark gray. More 1x10 dark gray plate. I don't think I'm going to be running out of that anytime soon. 1x4 dark gray plates. This is all dark gray, mostly. If it looks gray, it's going to be dark gray, so I'll just not even mention that anymore. 1x3 plate. 1x3 brick. Here's some red wedge bricks. These are a piece that I never seem to have, that I always see in like some of the workshop builds. So now I've got a couple of these. I got 3 pairs of those. I ordered this piece. I thought it was interesting. This must be from like an Exo Knight set or something. It's in silver. I have plans for this already. Some more Technic brick. Wow, we've got the 1x14 dark gray. 1x6 dark gray. Some more 2x3 brick. 1x8 plate. 1x6 plate. 1x2 plate. 1x10 plate. I got a bunch of these 1x2x5 bricks. It's a lot easier to build with these than stacking up 5 1x2 bricks on top of each other. I also got the 1x2x2 variants of those. Some more wedge brick, the 2x3. I got 3 pairs of those maybe. I got white ones too. Cool. Okay, so I got white, black, and red. I got matching sets, so I should have an equal number left and right. Some of these L-shaped 4x4 plates. There's something interesting. I got another one of these really long train wires. These are great for connecting your modules to your train controllers over a long distance. This is a really long one. These are 128 studs in length, I believe. Awesome. Some more axles. Yes. Some of these curved dark gray bricks. I guess they're 4x4 curves? Yeah, Then about 4x4. A bunch of these. Picked up some dark gray barrels. Some 2x8 Technic plate with pinholes. Picked up some of these 4x3 slopes. 1x16 dark gray brick. 1x10 dark gray brick. 1x12 dark gray brick. 1x6 plate. Oh, look at this. This is a 2x4 wedge in dark gray. So I've got a couple of sets of these. Some of these inverted slope, double inverted slope pieces. This is a piece that I use in my latest workshop module, underneath the upper tread ring. Looks like I also got some dark gray Technic connector pieces. A variety of these ones. And what haven't we seen yet? There's some slopes in here. There's some 1x2 curve slopes in dark gray. And some of these hinge pieces in dark gray. Hinge brick. Just dump the rest of this out here. So yeah, that's it. Huge haul of dark gray parts, tan track parts, a couple more sports ramps, some Technic panels, the axles, the gears. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.